Three non-zero numbers A, B, and C are in AP. Increasing A by 1, the numbers are in GP, or increasing C by 2, the numbers are in GP. So there are two conditions given. Find the value of B. So we are given that A, B, and C are in AP. If they are in AP, that means 2 times B is equal to A plus C. So we have one condition. Second, it is given that if A is increased by 1, so A plus 1, B and C, they are in GP. So from here, we can say that B square is equal to A plus 1 times C. So that's the second condition. Third, it is given that if you increase C by 2, so A, B, and C plus 2, they are also in GP. From here, we can say that B square is equal to the first term A times the last term, which is C plus 2. And that's equation 3. From equation 2 and 3, we have the values of B square, which was A plus 1 times C. And from equation 3, it is A times C plus 2. So if we solve this, we get AC plus C is equal to AC plus 2A. We can cancel out AC. That means C is equal to 2A. So we got one more piece of information that C is equal to 2A. So we have C is equal to 2A. Equation 2 was B square is equal to A plus 1 times C. So if we use this value here, we'll get B square is equal to A plus 1 times 2A. And from equation 1, we had 2B is equal to A plus C. And if we use the value of C in equation 1, we'll get 2B is equal to A plus 2A. That gives us 2B is equal to 3A, or B is equal to 3A over 2. Now let's use this value of B equals 3A over 2 in this equation here. And that will give you 3A over 2 whole square is equal to A plus 1 times 2A. And this gives us 9A square over 4 is equal to A plus 1 times 2A. We can cancel out 1A. So we have 9A over 4 is equal to 2A plus 2. And if you multiply both sides by 4, we'll get 9A is equal to 8A plus 8. And from here, we get the value of A is equal to 8. Now we know the value of A, that A is equal to 8. And B was equal to 3A over 2. So 3 times 8 over 2, and that is 24 over 2 or 12. So the value of B is 12. And in the same way, if we are asked to find the value of C, we can find the value of C as well.